Hey y'all, and welcome back to How Do You Cook Back to Basics. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I made my vegetable beef soup. First off, you'll want to start out with 2 pounds of ground beef. Break that up a little bit. And now we're going to add our onions. I used 3/4 of a medium-sized onion. You can use more or you can use less or just none at all. That's your choice. Now we're going to brown our ground beef until it's completely done. Now we're going to use a paper towel to sop up any of the grease that is in our pot. Now I normally use a colander for this step, but you can use a paper towel if you like to speed up the process or just not dirty up any more dishes. So right here we're adding a 32-ounce box of beef broth to our ground beef. Now give this a really good stir and pick up any bits that may have stuck to the bottom of your pot. Now we're adding 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. We put a total of 3 teaspoons of Italian seasoning in our soup. 1 can of diced tomatoes. 1 can of tomato sauce. Now we put in a total of 2 cans of diced tomatoes and 2 cans of tomato sauce in this soup. So now we're adding our celery, carrots, and potatoes. I used 4 stalks of celery, 4 carrots, and 4 to 5 medium-sized potatoes. Now give this a good stir. And now we're going to add our frozen mixed vegetables. This is a 32-ounce bag of mixed vegetables with peas, carrots, corn, and green beans. Yes, it has carrots, but I do like the big chunks of the fresh carrots. That's why I added them to it. So we're adding another 32-ounce box of beef broth. Now y'all, I have not made a vegetable beef soup in years. So I am making this and just going along adding things as we go. Now give this a really good stir. Now we're going to give our soup a taste test to see what needs to be added. I'm adding another teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Give it a really good stir. Now we're adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir that up really well. 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a good stir. This is where I'm adding my 2nd can of tomato sauce and diced tomatoes. Giving it another taste test to see if we need anything else. So we needed 1 more teaspoon of salt in our soup. Now I added a dash of crushed red pepper flakes. Place your lid on top of your soup and simmer for about an hour to an hour and a half or until your vegetables are tender and ready to eat. I hope you enjoy, y'all. Until next time, bye-bye now.